Your podcast is amazing, but nobody knows it exists yet. Today, we're diving into how to create killer trailers that reel in new listeners and turn them into superfans using Buzzsprout as your secret weapon. First, let's discuss why trailers are vital. Think of them as movie previews for your ears. They capture the essence of your podcast and provide a taste of its unique value proposition. Buzzsprout simplifies this whole process, whether you prefer using its editing tools or an external software. The goal is the same: to ignite excitement. Next, gather your best audio clips. These are the attention-grabbing moments from your podcast episodes. Choose highlights, teasers, and any sound bites that are both informative and emotionally engaging. Think of it as a highlight reel. Select moments that best represent the essence of what your podcast is about. Now, let's build your trailer. Choosing Buzzsprout's built-in editor, upload your selected audio clips, trim the audio to the desired length. Keeping in mind that brevity is key, then, add music to set the tone, and use clear volume control and fade-ins and fade-outs for a professional polish. After you've got your chosen selected clips, it's time to assemble them. Structure your trailer with an engaging hook, then transition to a couple of key highlight clips and with a clear call to action, something like subscribe now on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen. Finally, save your trailer and publish it. Promote it across all your social media platforms, include it in your show notes, and share it with everyone. Effective trailers are a cornerstone of podcast marketing. They build excitement, increase listener engagement, and ultimately grow your audience. So, get creating and watch your listenership soar.